Hello and welcome to Roosted. Today we're walking through our improved document signing feature, which is now 100% free to use. This updated system gives you unlimited document sends at no additional cost, plus the ability to create fully customized templates with automated field mapping. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create document templates, add signature fields, assign multiple signers, and automate pre-filled data from worker profiles. Let's get started. First, navigate to Configuration, then click on Document Templates. You'll see a list of all your templates. If you've used our previous system, older templates will be labeled as Old Paid Templates. Any new templates you create will show as Free Template because all sends are now included. To create a new template, click Create Template in the upper right. Now you'll upload the document you want to use. This could be an employment agreement, a liability waiver, a workplace policy, anything that requires a signature. Drag and drop your file or click to browse. Then give it a clear name, for example, Worker Onboarding Agreement. Once named, click Create and Configure. Roosted will process the document and open the template editor. Now you're in the editing interface. This is where you'll add all the fields your signers need to complete. On the left, you'll see field options: signature, date, text, checkboxes, and more. To add one, simply click and drag it onto the document. Let's add a signature field. Click, drag, and drop it where you need the worker to sign. When you click on any field, the right panel shows its settings. For signatures, you can mark it as required so the document can't be submitted without it. You can also add a signing date field. This auto-populates when the signer completes the document. Need a text field? Drag in a text or name field. Click on it, and you can specify what it represents, like last name, and even pre-fill information pulled from the worker's profile. What if you need more than one person to sign? For example, maybe HR or a manager also needs to approve. Click the person icon at the top, then select Add User. This creates a second signer role. Now select that new user from the signer dropdown, and you can add their signature field, date field, or any other required inputs, just like you did for the first signer. Roosted's document editor also supports advanced configurations. You can see how many fields are assigned to each signer in the left panel. You can adjust formats for date fields, like setting them to display as month, day, year. If you need a field that's pre-filled and read-only, for example, a pay rate or job title, you can set that up too. Drag in a number or text field, mark it as read-only, and either set a default value or leave it blank so you're prompted to fill it in when you send the document. This is especially useful for fields that change per worker but shouldn't be editable by the signer. Once all your fields are in place, click Save Template at the top. Roosted will sync your changes, and your template is now ready to configure. The next step is field mapping. This is where the magic happens. You connect template fields to data in Roosted, so information auto-fills when you send a signing request. Click Configure Field Mapping. You'll see your signers listed. For the second signer we added earlier, click Select Role and choose the appropriate role, like HR and Admin. Now map each field. For example, map first name to the worker's first name in Roosted. Map last name to the worker's last name. For read-only fields, like pay rate, you can map them to a custom field, set a manual input that applies to every send of this template, or choose no mapping if you want to enter it manually each time. Once everything is mapped, click Save Mappings. Now your template is live. To send it, go to the worker's profile and select the Document Signing Request option, the same way you'd send any other document in Roosted. You can also select multiple workers at once and send the document to the entire group. All mapped fields will auto-populate. Any read-only or manual fields will prompt you to fill them in before sending. The worker receives the request, completes their fields, signs, and submits. If you've added additional signers, they'll be notified in sequence. And that's it. The new document signing feature gives you unlimited sends, full template control, and intelligent automation, so you spend less time on paperwork and more time managing your workforce. If you have questions or need help setting up your first template, reach out to our support team at support at roostedhr.com. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Smarter Workforce Management with Roosted.